My son was murdered here in New Orleans 3 years ago. This particular night when this happened to my son, I ran, and when I got there, it was too late. They had them put his body into the wagon. When they pulled it out, I noticed it was him, and he was dead. And it really just told me.
DJ Ill Will.
Come from the ghetto where money is more important than the life of your mother and your father or your brother. Cause these days bullets travel in packs and you can get caught in it. Now you the victim or the suspect. The judge gave you time, you headed straight to prison. All because you won't let your child starve. Didn't wanna work but wanna take somebody else's stuff. Gas bill, phone bill, electricity, water bill, the heat to keep you cozy. You try to keep up with the Joneses, but you getting letters in the door saying you gotta move. Dang. And homie, that's soon, no gas in the car. How you supposed to get around? Man, you feeling like you can't make it, cause every house you build, that's an earthquake to shake it. When you got money, that's friends. They wanna just take, no give. But when it's all gone, they run at a home. Don't call you, but they wanna talk when the rain pours. Damn. But I ain't taking it no more. It's stopping my blessing, come from around me, homeboy. Not just your friends, it's in your family too. Thinking just cause you got it, they bout to get some loot. Where you was when I needed help to get off the ground, I had to do it myself. So what makes you think you can get some of this? You get none of that. You are dismissed, homeboy, fall back. This is my lane. You got competition, you can beat them, trust me. I'm at the finish line, my trail was dusty, but all because of God, I made it through everything. Yeah, but it ain't over. Nah, it ain't over. I'm marching to the top, and to the top is where I'm going. This is for whoever understand what I'm going through. Been grinding so long, I need a breakthrough. Here come the breakthrough, and this message is strictly for the people who grinding, struggling, hustling in a good way. Positivity, I hold all y'all down to the fullest. I feel y'all pain.
Hey yo, man, you feeling this one?
Chase your dreams and stay focused.
DJ Rockstar.
Hell yeah, I ain't have a crossover like Sebastian Telfair, but I got moms off of welfare. And Obama made it better for the healthcare, but I still feel like it's hell here. And the politicians is lying, they'll never make it to Zion. Straight to the pits of hell, they souls is frying. So many rats in office, they trying to get the cheddar. If I could, I'd sit down and write them a letter like, dear Mr. Politician, can you explain why we got so many homeless veterans? You to blame? How a man with one leg and one arm is out here homeless and fuck for America. Yes, he's American, which means you should better him. Sometimes I stay up late like Dave Letterman. Thank you. How we got so much spaceship money, and we got money for disasters up in other countries. Then I let my mind travel way over to Africa, beating on a bongo, probably up in Congo, trying to have a convo with the Congress, spitting that food for thought, but it's hard for them to digest. Let it rain. As I try to progress and I sit back and I ponder and I think about the world and think about the fatherless daughters, the fatherless girls, then the fatherless sons, and then I see a prayer. Then I holler out, that's what the hell that I'm yelling. They got him locked up like he's an animal, a felon, just for possessing a weapon, trying to protect his melon. Imagine. But you know it ain't fair, but they still don't care. That's the reason why a nigga growing white hair. Damn, I could easily become a racist, but let's face it, I know everybody with the pale faces don't feel how I feel. And a lot of them ain't real how I'm real. See, the rest is phony. I know when he come home it'll be a testimony. The takeover, the break's over, soldier. And then I think about the Generation X. And then I think about how none of these rappers out here could really touch me or my clique. And then I think about Chucky and Twist and how they gotta save the youngins. Start listening, baby, the end of the days is coming. You need to change your life with no hesitation, because it's almost Revelations. You don't really need a gun, you can use the Bible as your rifle. And when the devil try to come and decipher all the disciples, make sure that you in the right one, the right place. You trying to go to heaven or hell, just let me know, baby, only time will tell. I hope this message you're receiving it, and young kids, to your parents, be obedient. Love.
With the young boy, here come the cavalry.